boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Seth.
Hi.
And Miss Cadence.
Hi.
And I have Miss Riley. And I have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
And today, boys and girls, I have a question. Who likes apples?
Me.
Oh, good. Because today we're going to be making oatmeal apple crisp.
Yeah.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
And guess what?
What?
Miss Cinda has some in the oven baking right now, so you guys will get to taste it. What do you think about that, Miss Riley?
Good.
Oh, okay. So we're going to be working in teams. So Seth and Cadence, this is your bowl, okay? And Ben and Riley, this is your bowl, okay? And we're going to make the streusel topping first. So, Cadence and Riley, I'll let you do the brown sugar. Now, I want to show you, boys and girls, what a cup. When you usually use brown sugar, it will tell you to pack it. And that means that you want to take it, fill your cup, and pack it down really hard, okay? And you fill it up and keep packing, and fill it up and keep packing it down. And that's packed brown sugar, okay? See how it comes out like that, all packed up?
It's all stuck together.
That's right. So, girls, you want a half a cup of the packed brown sugar. Let's see. Where's your half cup? Oh, here it is, right here. So you girls work on the half a cup.
Can we
and
use our hands?
Yes, you may, because we washed our hands, remember? And that's why it's important, boys and girls, to always wash your hands before you start in the kitchen, okay? Good. Okay, boys, you're going to add 3/4 of a cup of the oats, of our quick oats, okay? So for 3/4 of a cup, you're going to use a half a cup and a 1/4 of a cup. So, Seth, you're going to use a half a cup and a 1/4 a cup. Right here, there's your 1/4 a cup, and there's your half a cup. And you'll put one of those and one of those in your bowl. And you got to pack it down good with your hands, Cadence. Can you take your fingers and pack it down? Go like this and pack it down. You get your hand in there and just pack it down tight. Just like that. Good job. Keep going. You want to pack it down.
Well, mine's down because
Well,
it was big.
we don't measure. You don't have to do that yet because you want to see how I'm pressing it. You have big muscles. Press it down. Good job, Riley. Okay, let's push it down.
Miss Cinda, I think horses like apples.
I think
horses like apples.
They love apples.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they think that's a real treat.
Uh-huh.
Oh, fill it full, Seth. Boys and girls, make sure when you're measuring, you want to make sure you can get it full. A little bit more. Here, you can go like this to help you, and then you just kind of brush it off a little bit off the top, okay? There, good. And do the same thing now with your half a cup. Good job. And I gave you each a towel so that you can wipe your hands. Okay, Ben, you have the oats in already. Then put in a 1/3 cup of flour. And here's your 1/3 cup. And I'll take your oats away. A 1/3 cup of flour.
Cinda, can you help me?
Okay.
Am I going to pour it in now?
Okay, press it down.
Do I pour it in now?
Yes. Good job. Very good, Riley. See how it made the form of the cup when you press it down? Okay, now you're going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla.
Look.
Here, Riley, can you get your 1/2 teaspoon? Oh, that's okay. Because you know what? That's why we wear aprons. Because if you get something on your apron, we can wash it. And that way it keeps your clothes clean.
Uh-huh.
Isn't that special?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Miss Cinda, one time I went over to my mom's friend's house, and they have horses.
Uh-huh.
And one's a really old horse, and it's like a whitish color.
Uh-huh.
And I like riding it.
Oh, I love riding it. I love riding horses. I bet you did like riding it.
And my cousin
you can
has
put that in.
horses.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, Seth, did you put in a half a cup? That's another fourth a cup. Let's put in this one. Let's do this one. So let's pour this in here because you need 1/2 cup and 1/4 cup. And you've already put your fourth a cup in. Let Miss Cinda help you. See, you can go like that with your hands. See? And now you just level it off. There you go. Wanna put that in?
Miss Cinda,
Good job.
the sugar wants to stay in one chunk.
It does?
Uh-huh.
Well, that's why you guys need to mix it up. Can you mix it all up now?
You know what I do, Miss
And-
Cinda? I mix it up, find round spots, and then I squish them on the bottom.
That's good. Break up those clumps of brown sugar. Okay, here, Riley, you're going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla. There you go. Put that in and mix it up now. Here, Cadence, you want to
Now
hold
what?
this? And put in a 1/2
Now what?
teaspoon of pure vanilla.
Mix it
Now,
You wanna
I'm
help
going
me
to give
mix?
you some margarine. And I want you guys to put your gloves on.
Miss Cinda, are we going to put the margarine in with our gloves?
Yes, and I'm going to tell you what you're going to do. So put your gloves on.
Miss Cinda, I think doctors have these gloves,
They-
types of gloves.
They do. And you know what? Miss Cindy used to be a nurse, and so sometimes I would wear the gloves. Actually, every day I would.
My mommy's a nurse.
Is she? So she uses gloves. Okay, what you're going to do with your gloves.
My grand was actually north.
She was? Or she is?
She was.
She was.
Yeah.
Well, let's put your thumb right in there. There you go. Okay, what I want you guys to do is put your gloves in, and I want you to crumble up the margarine with your fingers. Here you go. Put your thumb in this one. There,
Do we
good.
crumble up
Put
the
your fingers in
butter
all.
with
Whoops.
it too?
Gotta get your glove on. Whoop, we got a finger that's lost. We have fingers lost. Let me find your
Miss
finger,
Cinda.
Cadence. There you go.
I'm
Okay.
squishing it up really good.
Yes, let Riley do it
It's
too.
hard.
Whoop.
Ugh.
These are a little big, aren't they,
I
Cadence?
get to
But
do
we'll make them work. There you go. Okay, mesh up the butter. You want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do, you gotta put one in each one.
This
Whoop,
is
let
hard.
me find all your fingers, Riley. There we go. Whoa. Riley, wait.
Our fingers are stuck.
I like your
There you go.
your lip gloss. That's
Thank you. Okay, Riley, put it in.
pink. What in?
Now put your hands in and
Squish
mix
it.
it up. You want to squish it all with your hands. Go ahead, Cadence.
Like
Get
this.
in there. Squish it up with your
Don't
hands.
spill it.
Oh, get it all mixed up with, you want to mix it up, boys and girls, with your,
Twist to stay.
You want me to help?
is it? You want to mix it up with your,
go like
with all the brown sugar and oatmeal, okay?
This is fun. Then the butter is sticking.
Who likes to be in the kitchen?
Me.
Ah!
And I like horses too.
I do too.
My cousin has horses, and they're right across from our driveway.
Oh, I love horses.
Listen, look, it's turning into this.
Oh, good. That's what you want. You want it to be crumbly. That's exactly what you want. Get the rest of the oatmeal. That's why you're wearing gloves. Can you get your hands back in there, Cadence?
Just
Can you get?
How do you do this one?
It's a sticky one. Want Miss Cinda to help? Look.
I can
Good job.
Uh-huh.
Can you? Let me tip the bowl a little bit so the boys and girls can see what we're doing. See what we're doing, boys and girls? Look at that. Okay, our topping's done. You guys can take your gloves off and put them in the trash over there, or you can just lay them on the table if you like.
Miss Cinda, this is really fun.
Is it fun? Okay, now we're gonna mix the apples.
Can I go put mine in the trash?
I'll take yours, Riley. Thank you. Okay, now, Ben, could you go to the kitchen sitting on the counter by the kitchen sink? I have 2 more green bowls. Would you like me to help you, Seth? There you go. Good job.
Here, Miss
Okay,
Cinda.
thank you. Okay, now we're gonna make our apple mixture. Let me set
Miss
these right
Cinda.
here. Good, thank you. Okay, now you guys, I need you to put in 3 tablespoons. Find your tablespoon. Put 3 tablespoons of sugar.
Mine. It's the big one right here.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you.
Okay, and Seth and Ben, you're going to put in, let's see, 1/3 cup of flour.
Oh, Miss Cinda, I already put. Oh, more of it.
Yeah, a little bit.
Can I put more? Can I use my hands?
Yes, you may.
So that would be 1/3, right? Right, Miss Cinda?
You're going to put in, oh, you know what? Before we put in the flour, let's put in the cinnamon.
Okay.
Put in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Thank you, Seth. Oh, Seth, we got to get it full.
Okay.
Whoops. Good job. There you go. There's 1. Okay, you put that in, and then you need to put 2 more. Okay, Seth, I'm going to have you do the cinnamon. I need you to put in a teaspoon of cinnamon. There's your teaspoon, okay?
I scraped mine off.
Good job. Okay, put that in. Now do 2 more. And let me look.
Miss Cinda, I'm going to put 2 half teaspoons in there because I can't reach the big one in there.
Oh, very good, Ben. And then you're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Did you get 1 in there? Okay, put that in. Now find your here's your 1/4 teaspoon and do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay? Just 1. And mix all that up.
Do you put all the salt in?
No, you put another one in. Oh, you guys, we have to hurry. Put your sugar in. Get it in, Cadence. Oh, good job. Okay, now stir that up. And let's stir our apples in. That's good, Cadence. That's enough. You got enough sugar.
Apples in this Cinda.
Dump all your apples in. Stir this up, Buck Riley. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to stir this up. And now stir your apples up.
That's enough.
Perfect. Now you want to dump the apples in and stir your apples up. Let's put. Are they good? Are the apples good?
That's fun doing this, chopping them.
You like that? Well, just kind of stir them up. You don't have to chop them. You can just stir them. Look at that. You left 1 apple. Ah! Perfect. Sure you can. That's the fun of cooking, is tasting it.
Can I have one, Cinda?
You sure can. Okay, now do you have it? You can get one out of here if you want. Okay, now you're gonna put your apples. Let's get it all stirred up, Seth. Now put your apples in here. Put your apples in your baking dish, guys. And now I want you to use your hands. Use your hands and put your topping on top of it. Use this hand and put your topping on. You just take it and sprinkle your topping all over. So put this in here. Take your topping and sprinkle it all over. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, doesn't that look good?
Yeah, I can't wait to eat it.
Oh, and guess what? Oh, that's our kitchen timer. Look here. I have one in the oven, and it's about ready. Oh, doesn't that look good?
Yeah.
Oh, boys and girls, remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.